Stage 3. Evaluate the risks. The risk is a chance or likelihood that someone may be harmed to some extent by the hazard. It is important to determine the hazards that are most likely to cause the greatest harm so that the risks from these may be controlled first. It is important to try and identify the important risks first so that action can be taken at the earliest point to reduce these risks or a risk of an accident actually occurring. It is important to evaluate the risks associated with each hazard so that you can prioritize the tasks needed to minimize the risks. You need to consider both the severity of the harm and the likelihood of that harm actually occurring. Severity. When considering the particular hazard, look at what is the worst that can happen. Is it a minor injury or ill health, or is it a serious injury or ill health? Then likelihood. When considering the particular hazard, look at the chance or likelihood of something actually happening. Is it highly likely or highly unlikely? Once we've done this, we now need to look at the existing control measures that are in place. These can be protective footwear, guards and training should also be taken into consideration. It is important that the way in which the work is carried out so that the failures to use the protective footwear, guards or follow procedures are actually identified and taken into account also. Make sure that what really happens in a work activity is recorded and not just what you believe should happen. This is why it is important to get the employee involved to minimize the risks. Make sure that the inspections are carried out regularly to check that people are doing the job the right way and no shortcuts are taken.